and go. Hello everyone, this is Turtle Plays here, and I am playing Mining Sim. I have gotten my 15th rebirth.
The footage for that was lost, sadly. We started a video, but was accidentally deleted.
Because my computer's screen is broken, and let's just say my computer's screen fell.
Yeah, sucks.
Yeah.
But otherwise we would have had... Oh yeah, sorry guys. I forgot to introduce myself. I am the special guest for today, Firefox. And you have yesterday's special guest, whatever.
Wait, Della.
Yeah, Della. Sorry. Horrible.
So am I. So guys, if I see you in my if any of you who see me in my server, oh, there's Firefox. If any of you see me in my server and type out to me, I will trade you some pretty good loot. I'm talking about like a Crimson Indominus. How much do you guys like Crimson Indominuses? Guys,
and actually, I am going to go around joining random servers, and the first 6 people to send a trade request to me will get 50 free legendary hat crates. No, I'm gonna go 50. I mean, I had like 2,500, dude.
Yeah, and then you traded like 700 away to me.
I know I did.
And
so 50
just for
free.
proof, I have opened over 100. No.
Wow.
No, wait, no, you only traded me 600.
But they can still see us.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. I want to show you guys proof that I have all of those legendary hat crates. That way it's not just scam.
I just got the interstellar wings, guys.
It's there. It is definitely there.
Guys, the first...
Me, Della, is still here, but I'm in the background.
So, guys, the first mythic I get today, if any of you recognize me, I will trade it away. Oh, and there is Della right there. Tessa Rose 1034.
1034.
Okay, 1034. Rainbow Shaggy, guys, let's go! By the way, just before you start thinking, I only have tons of legendary hat crates. Can you ask your friend to get some legendary eggs and then trade them to you so you can trade some to me?
Oh yeah, guys. It just reminded me. I have an epic friend. He has his own YouTube channel. I'm not sure what its name is. His name is Jake, or Roblox username.
Happy Dr. Treyblocks 2.
Yeah, Happy Dr. Treyblocks fan 2. And he gave me so many stuff. If you can find his channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And don't forget to do the same for this video.
That is coming out of I of not me. And guys, I just want to say something. I'm sorry for after last video not uploading, like before the last video not uploading for like a couple months. Sorry about that. It's just for a bit. I had abandoned my YouTube channel, but then I just wanted, to keep on making videos because I just think it's fun. By the way, I am still in school. Oh, Crimson Dominus, guys! I'm giving away double Crimson Dominuses now. Just as proof that I do have them. These are all legit. Everything I got in here is legit. I have not hacked.
Well, actually, you guys, post down in the comments below if you want me to open all the hat crates and sell the items from it, or sell the hat crates by themselves.
Guys, comment down below if I should by the way, this is going to be insane. Sell all of my mythics. All of them.
Dude, don't sell those, keep those.
If we hit 50 likes on this video, I will sell all of my mythics. My golden wings, my fire wings, my essence wings, all my crimson dominuses.
Wouldn't that be a downside for them? Why don't you trade them to random players?
Like, I'm gonna give away and give away. By the way, this is gonna be extremely sad when I do this. Mom, I'm recording a video. I will trade away my first legendary item I have ever gotten.
Wasn't that first legendary item from me?
No, I got it from an epic hat crate.
Oh.
It is this Dominus.
Nice.
The Dominus Perfectus was the first Dominus I ever got. First legendary I ever got. Guys, comment down below if I should part with this item and trade it away to somebody on the bottom of the tier list, and also maybe trade away some of my Dominus Empresses. Oh, Happy Dr. Treblox Fan 2 is on the server currently. Guys, I want to follow Happy Dr. Treblox.
I'm pretty sure he already has like 69 followers, maybe up to like 100 something.
I'm gonna search him up.
Actually, you should have seen his old texture, because he likes to dress up like a noob and get a bunch of free stuff and then go ahead and roam around servers and dominate everyone. He has a tendency to do things like that.
Oh.
Although I don't blame him. If I had a choice, I would definitely do that in Mining Sim, because honestly, I am a god. Wait, no, I'm not a god. I'm above a god. Well, at least in Mining Simulator. I am a insane miner. Actually, post in the comments which one you think is better. This dude or this dude. I got 12 rebirths, but 54 million blocks mined.
But I have 15 rebirths, but only 23 million blocks mined. Hint. Happy Dr. Treblox Fan 2. Let's see. Okay, but guys, as you can see, he is on the server's list. Guys, guys, tell me if Happy Dr. Treblox Fan 2 should be in one of my videos. We're gonna try to find him, guys. Why am I above Happy Dr. Treblox Fan 2?
Yeah, I was wondering that. He gave me all of this OP stuff, and then I go above him like, how am I better than you?
Guys, do you want to know how I think he got all those legendary hat crates?
Well, he's a YouTuber, dude.
Yeah, but come on.
I mean, someone probably gave him it because they love his channel.
The only amount that I have ever seen. Okay, back when I was terrible at this game, the way I got my first dominant, whenever I got my second legendary item, my Dominus Empress, I got that out of a legendary hat crate a guy gave to me.
And that someone is me.
No.
You get legendary hat crates before me?
Yeah, I've had one other legendary hat crate given to me by somebody else.
Oh. Well, just so you know, guys, this may be a while, but I am making I'm heading to Florida on July 3rd. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be there, but not too long after, I am getting my laptop, and I am going to start my own YouTube channel. When that comes out, make sure to
Welcome
subscribe, and like.
to the lost city of the Baconairs.
Oh my god.
Guys, tell me if I should do a Roblox jailbreak trolling video where I go into jailbreak dressed up as a bacon hair, and then I just watch as probably the pros come and try. Okay, by the way, guys, I was able to get $1,000 out of a guy from him being mean to me and telling him to stop being mean. And he was sorry, and he gave me $1,000.
Well, actually, if I'm here, we could do some good cop, bad cop jailbreak.
Wait, good cop, bad cop? What's that?
Good cop, bad cop jailbreak.
What does that mean?
Because I like to play as a cop, because honestly, the money that you get in your paycheck is absolutely insane. It is so much more than a prisoner gets.
Yeah, but prisoners are able to rob places, which honestly I think is a bit unfair. Hear how cops can't rob places, right?
I'm pretty sure there was actually a glitch to get free Robux in the donut shop by one of my friends.
Wait, free Robux?
Yeah, in the donut shop. But I'm not sure how they did it. I keep on saying, how do you do it? How do they do it? And I spit out all these random words that I don't understand in the slightest bit.
Do you know he's probably lying?
No, dude, this came from Happy Trade Box.
Yeah, he's lying.
He's not lying. Like, I know.
If Roblox has admitted itself that there are no hidden ways to get Robux, I think you should trust Roblox more than your friend.
Good. Dude, he said it was a hack, not a glitch.
Oh, a hack?
Yeah, but you have to be in the donut shop to do it.
Oh. He's still lying to you.
Dude, you should meet him. He's not a liar. Oh, I could almost get the infinite backpack for free, dude. You have no idea. Like, I almost did that glitch where it says, like, 0 and then loads up and has the Robux. I could almost get it. I would be so glad if I could get that.
Don't, like, how do you...
Oh my god, I can get the Ultra Hexa pack easy. This is so easy. Why did I waste that? I could have went to... I am so dumb. Why did I do that?
Does that glitch actually work?
I think, maybe? I'm not sure. I came so close to doing it.
It doesn't work.
Oh, you have to have a really slow device for it to work.
This is slow.
Like, slow, where it, like, glitches out and says 0 for a second. Slowly head your way towards it.
See,
Not that way. Alright, whatever.
my computer still does it. No, it has said that it has said 0.
It has?
Yeah. But guys, tell me in the comment section below if you think I should do a part 2 to this Roblox video. Oh, and guys, come up for a name with yourselves in the comments down below. Whichever one I like the most, I'll make it. And don't let your shell crack. Goodbye.